In this video, you will learn how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel. Wrap text is a useful option when you want to enter the long sentence in a particular cells. For example, when you want to enter a particular sentence which is long enough, then it will appear like this one. It will cross the boundary of that particular cell. And if I click here and I write something here, for example, I write 23, press enter. Now you can see here this text is not visible, only portion of this text is visible. So by using wrap text option, you can also contain this text within that particular boundary of the cells, and this text is also visible to all of us. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So by using wrap text option, you can contain this long sentence within the boundary of that particular cell, and this text is also visible to all of us. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, select particular cell. For example, I want to wrap this particular cell. After doing that, go to Home tab, and in Home tab you will find the option of wrap text, which is given here. Click on this option. Now you can see here the text is wrapped now, and it is visible, and it is also contained within the boundary of that particular cell. Similarly, if I select this one, you can select multiple cells as well. For example, I will select these cells and I will select this wrap option. Now you can see here that all the text is visible now. Sometimes all these rows are not visible. If you are facing this problem, then you can address this problem by adjusting the height of these rows. For example, if you click here, then you will find the option of a plus sign with double arrow. By moving up and down direction, you can change the height of these particular rows. Similarly, if I select this cell, and through alignment option I can change the orientation of this text using this option. So by doing so, you can easily wrap text and get rid of these problems. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.